my channel, Lilia Chrissy. Today we are back home after our almost a week holiday at the seaside. Today I'm going to make a very easy pizza. Seaside, we always ate the entire 6 days. We only eat seafoods, fresh fish, fresh vegetables, and seafoods and rice. Now, I think my bunso miss the pizza because that's only he can eat here. It's a selection of burger and pizza. Anything that have cheese on it. So now I'm going to make a very, very easy pizza. I have here my mozzarella, yeast, dry yeast, warm water. So I have to put here first. Set aside. Bubbles come out from the yeast. Yeast, I mean. So now I have to all-purpose flour. 1, 3.5, yeah? 2, 3 and a half. A cup of sugar. Half teaspoon of salt. Olive oil. You can put half cup, you can put 1/3 cup, but I like olive oil. I'm not going to use egg on my dough. We're going to wait on this yeast. Mix the yeast or dissolve it in the water until it dissolves properly in the water. Now I'm going to mix it here. And I already washed my hands. Use a spatula when mixing your flour mixture. Mix it properly until it totally incorporates. By using your hands, you can move your dough into clean area and knead the dough until it's become very, very soft and elastic. So I put a little bit of flour. Add more flour if you want to, but I choose to keep on kneading the dough until it won't stick into the hands anymore. About 100 push if you don't have a stand mixer. Now my dough is elastic, properly kneaded. Put this back into my bowl. Drop a little bit of olive oil. Put the dough inside. Cover with plastic wrap. Or you can cover it with kitchen towel. Warm kitchen towel is better. But it's here that already warm. I use this. Put on the top a dry kitchen towel. Now I'm going to put this in a warm place and wait until 1 hour or until dough double its size. Ito na siya guys, my dough. I-punch muna natin siya. Put this back here. I'm going to knead this back for about 3 minutes. I'm going to use this. I already brushed oil with it, or brush oil or butter. Then I'm going to divide it into How many? I'm going to make one large pizza. Usually, the leftover, I make buns, breakfast buns or dinner rolls, plain buns or with cheese. Ito na siya, guys. I'm going to brush this with any spaghetti sauce. Mozzarella cheese, you can put a lot. It's my son's favorite. He missed this for about 1 week. At the seaside, he don't eat anything or pizza. This would be enough. Okay guys, now I preheated the oven already. I'm going to put this in the oven until about 10 minutes. 8 to 10 minutes. The leftover of the dough, I'm going to put or make this bread with mozzarella. Roll like this. Slice. Then the rest half, I'll make it plain. Dada like it when it is plain. Later, I'm going to put this in that pizza tray. And tomorrow we have breakfast. Ito na siya, guys. My very simple mozzarella cheese pizza. Over in the plate. I'm going to slice this. You like it when it's thin, not thick crust. My very simple mozzarella cheese pizza. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye.